Hey family, I'm coming on this evening to share with you what's been going on these last couple of weeks. As you have probably seen, I've posted some videos of me uh, working on Crocs or the finished products of some Crocs. I have blinged out some Converse sneakers. I have also done some Sister Afro Queens. And so anyway, I want to share with you the woman who requested for me to do her sneakers also wanted me to do a piece of art. So I wanted to share that with you before I finish it. So you probably saw a little bit of it, but here she is. Isn't she gorgeous? Wow, look at that. So what I'm going to do with that is I'm going to just bling out the writing part of it, and I'm going to do that with clear glass stones, and I'm really looking forward to doing that. Just wanted to share that with you and let you know that I'm doing all types of things. I also have 3 orders for some coolers, so I want to show that to you. So hold on one second.